In this Healthy Arabel video, we will share about snoring. What is snoring? What caused snoring? What we should do to cure or prevent snoring. What food is good to prevent snoring? If you have snoring, the information in this video may help you. Before we start, please support this channel by hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Done? Then let's go. How to cure snoring. Part 1. What is snoring? Snoring is a condition when a person makes harsh sounds while sleeping. This condition is the result of obstructed or narrowed airways. Snoring can happen to anyone, and is usually nothing to worry about. However, this condition can also be a sign of other health problems, including sleep apnea. You should start to worry if your snoring is frequent and accompanied by one or more conditions as follow: waking up from choking or gasping for air. Head or throat hurts every time you wake up. Feeling very sleepy during the day, making it difficult to concentrate. High blood pressure. Pain in the chest. Part 2. Cause of snoring. Snoring is the result of blocked or narrowed airways. Obstruction of the respiratory tract can be caused by weakening of the throat muscles, generally due to aging. In addition, it can also be caused by a medical condition, such as sleep apnea. Nasal or airway obstruction, due to allergies or sinusitis. Bent nasal bone. Swollen tonsils or adenoids. Facial deformities. Overweight. Part 3. Snoring prevention. In general, you can cure or reduce snoring by changing to a healthy lifestyle. You can start by doing this: reducing weight. Avoid alcohol consumption, especially at bedtime. Quit smoking. Get enough sleep. Get used to not eating heavy food when going to bed. In addition to those treatments, there are natural remedies or foods that can help cure or prevent snoring. Enjoy our videos? Drop a like and share to your friend to help the channel. Don't worry, it's totally absolutely free. Part 5. Natural cure for snoring. These are the herbs or foods that can help prevent snoring naturally. Number 1. Tea. Drinking a cup of hot tea before bed can help you relax while you sleep. Tea will prevent a stuffy nose and throat. But remember, not drink too much tea at night, because the caffeine contained in tea can interfere with your sleep. Number 2. Turmeric milk. Turmeric is very good for preventing inflammation of the nose and throat. Adding a teaspoon of turmeric to boiling milk can prevent snoring during sleep. Number 3. Honey. Honey have a powerful antimicrobial that is often used to treat common ailments such as the flu. Add honey to a glass of tea and drink it before going to bed for preventing snoring. Number 4. Peppermint. This herbal leaf is full of antispasmodic properties that reduce swelling inside the nose and throat. Drinking peppermint tea before bed or inhaling steaming boiling water with peppermint leaf or essential oil can help reduce snoring. Number 5. Onions. Onions contain antioxidants that fight infection-causing bacteria and can keep the nose and throat from getting difficult to breathe, which can help reduce snoring. Number 6. Pineapple. Pineapple contains natural decongestants that can stop the snoring that occurs in the nose and throat. In addition, pineapple is also easy to digest, so you can eat it without fear in the evening after you finish dinner. Those are natural remedies or foods that can help to cure or prevent snoring. If you find these tips useful, drop a like and don't forget to comment below. Likes and comments from you are an energy for us. Also, check out our next recommended video from Healthy Arabel. May we always be healthy.